Hey, you want to see my knuckler? Sure. Go ahead, give it a try. Like this. Ah. Oh. Was that good or bad? Yeah,
hey,
nice.
Hey, guys!
No.
I have to ask you a question.
What do you want?
Could I play?
No. Whoa, dude, please. No, please. No, please. I don't Dude, no. Please, dude, no. No. Stop. No, please.
You guys mess with me again, it's gonna be the same problem. There's my trike.
Hey, you picking on those kids?
Yeah? What are you gonna do about it?
This.
Oh!
Yeah, come on! Punch him! Yeah!
Yeah, get him, go!
Punch him! Keep punching him!
Get out of here!
Yeah! Leave!
Get out of here! Get out! Get out of here!
Leave! Come on!
Don't ever mess with this again!
Yeah!
You get it, right? Get out of here!
Leave!
That's good.
Alright, guys.
This is a film we made. We're all cousins. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Andrew. I'm Gabby.
Sam.
I'm Adam.
See ya.
Alright, see ya.